Okay, this is how I make the golden base. The reason of fast skip the procedure at the beginning of this video because I already took a step-by-step tutorial before. If you are interested, click here. I don't repeat the procedure in much detail here. Okay, now let's starting this tutorial with this golden ball, also our pole and the accessory, and our orchid flowers. Okay, let's go. First of all, let's set up the stand. Take a slide, put on the hole, and take our pole to go through the ball. Then another slide, and then use this screw. On this design, I will use this screw. And for the other design, I will try another ways if you don't like to use this accessory. This video, I will show you two designs. They are similar, but a little bit different. Okay, completed with the stand. Then the following, very simple. Just insert our orchid will be okay. But because the stem of the orchid is too much long, so I will cut it off. Okay, look, very easy. So I shorten the orchid. Then very easy. Just insert on the pole will be okay. And then bend to the shape we like. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Do you like it? Very simple, very easy to make, and will not cost a lot. Also, you can change the length of the poles to make different size of the stand to match your event. And if you just make one of this style for the round table as the table centerpiece, they come out very pretty. And if you have a long table, make different size of the stand like this and list on the table. The come out will be very gorgeous and special. Okay, now let's hang up some bubble. Okay, look, the bubble. Use the small hook and B-chain to hook on the bubble. And then put on the stand. Okay, look. If you want to drag it longer or put on something heavier, you can put an iron wire from the post to support them. That will be okay. But anyway, let's make it simple and just check the effect like this. Okay, this is my first idea. The following, I will show you my other idea by adding more pole and put on some stick candle holder and the stick candle. Okay, now let's drill some hole on the ball. Okay, I drill additional more hole on the ball. The following, we need to install the stand using this screw. Do you remember? On our first idea. But on this design, I will not use this screw because it's a little bit expensive. So I will cut a small piece of the PVC ball and stick on the ball. Okay, I cut 4 pieces and I will stick it on the ball like this. Okay, then let's install the stand. And this time, I will use this screw instead of this screw in order to cut costs. Okay, we'll show you the effect after completing with other hole. Okay, the stand was installed. Ignore the mess around. Now, let's install the candle holder. Okay, I will install them on the pole. Okay, then let's put on the stick candle. I'm using this LED stick candle, so I will apply some hot glue and stick on the holder. Okay, then put on the holder. Okay, then let's put on the Orchid. Okay, look, completed. Let's check the effect. Light up the candle. Okay, look. If in darker environment, the come out will be much more romantic. Let's zoom in to the detail. Look, this is our orchid flowers. We have two types. One type like this, another type very, very long. If you are interested, you can check them from my product list or inbox me via Facebook. You can find the link to my product list and Facebook page from the information field below this video. Okay, finally, let's remove the candle holder and change to use this spring for this type of candle. First of all, use a screw. Okay, look, I put on all the spring. Now let's put on the candle. Okay, let's check the effect. Which one you like? Could you please comment to tell? In fact, I like the design with the stick candle. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.